Apple and Google release updates on the same day. What can go wrong, right? Hey, what is up everyone? I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new or you've seen the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button at the end of the video. This morning, I thought it would be an awesome idea to go catch a sunrise with my Phantom 4 Pro, and I was greeted with this warning in my application that said there are incompatibilities with iOS 11.2.5 and the DJI GO 4 app. They are working to resolve these issues, but if you've previously updated to this version, you can roll it back. I am not gonna roll my firmware on my phone back to support an application. They need to fix this. And it's funny because I saw Autel tweet out that 11.2.5 fixed their issues with their XStar application for Starlink, but it's breaking the DJI GO 4 app. So a lot of incompatibility issues. I'll never understand, being on the software side of the world, I'll never understand why things like this happen, because this is why we have betas. So you can test out things like this and prevent issues like this from happening. Yet they always still have some strange thing like this that happens. So here's fair warning. If you have updated to 11.2.5, here's your two options. Either one, don't fly until DJI fixes their application, or two, roll the firmware back on your iOS device so you can fly, because you will get crazy disconnects on the application. I can tell you that 100%. I'm glad I didn't get very far before they started happening, because I probably would have lost my Phantom again. So, fair warning, do not fly on 11.2.5. Roll it back or wait for them to update the application. There are some other things you can do with the application for the DJI 4 GO app. If you haven't already updated, I've heard people rolling back the application. But again, iOS, it's always a little goofy. I'm actually looking for some sort of Android device now so I can go ahead and mount it and fly. Anyways, real quick video on the incompatibility issues. You've been warned, so you got to choose. Update your phone, protect against Spectra, or fly your drone. It's a really tough decision. I'm probably going to go towards fly my drone. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I will see you in the next one.